Good morning, second grade. Ms. Fogelman here today for your math lesson. Let me share my slides with you. Okay. So today we are working on number lines. In the past, we've used an open number line. Today, we're going to work on using a number line that has equal spacing and numbers on it. Our learning target is the student will see how a ruler and a number line are the same. Let's begin by watching our video.
Learning upgrade. A number line has arrows on both ends and tick marks for each number value. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. As we move to the right, the numbers get larger. As we move to the left, the numbers get smaller. Let's plot the point 4 on the number line. Draw a dot at the tick mark with the number 4 below. What is the value of point B? Look at the number below. The value is 2. Which is greater, point A or point B? Point A is to the right of point B, so point A is greater than point B. Number lines.
Okay, so that's to give us a little bit of an idea of number lines that are already marked. So let's continue. Today we are going to use a number line to complete a math problem. So as you can see on my number line, it is already numbered 1 through 20, and it has equal spacing between the numbers. Why should there be equal spacing between numbers? Take a moment and think about that. The reason why there should be equal spacing is because there's equal amounts between each number. Also, in order to have, if you don't have equal spacing, then when you're counting, you can't see the numbers as equal numbers. So, for example, if I were to put a 20 here and my 19 all the way over here, my jump from 20 to 19 is not the same as, say, my jump to the next number, which is closer. So all of them have to be equal jumps, so they have to have equal distances between each number. Does the number line always end with 20? No. As you can see, there's an arrow at the end, and that means that your number line can continue on. So you might have a number line that starts at 1 and goes to 100. You might have one that starts at 1 and goes to 10. Your number line can end wherever you need it to. All right. Let's complete the following word problem using the number line. All right, so let me get my pen. All right. Sue made $19 mowing lawns last weekend. Okay, so here's how much she made on the number line, $19. She then went to the store and spent $4 on candy and $7 on a new toy. So she spent $4 and she spent $7. Our question asks, how much money does she have left? Okay, so she spent that money. She gave it to the store, so she no longer has it. So we know we need to subtract. which means we're moving this way on the number line because when we subtract, the numbers get smaller. All right, so let's begin with subtracting 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do it that way if you need to, or if you know, if you feel better about the number line, you could do 1, 2, 3, 4. Either way, you end up on 15. Okay, we're going to label our jump so we know we subtracted 4. If you don't feel comfortable subtracting 4 altogether, you could also subtract 2 and then subtract 2, or you could subtract 1 each time. Just make sure you label your jumps. -1, -1, -1, -1. Okay? All right. So after she spent $4 on candy, she spent $7 on a new toy. So I know that 7 is a 5 and a 2. So because I'm at 15, 5 is kind of an easy number to subtract. So I know 15 minus 5 is going to be 10. Okay. Or you could do it the same way that we did over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just make sure to put in your subtracting of 1 so you can keep track. Okay. And then, so that's 9. So I still need to subtract 2 because remember, 7 is 5 and then a 2. So 10 minus 1, 2. And she has $8 left. Let's go back and double check our work. So I subtracted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7 plus 4 is 11. So I know I subtracted the total amount, which means she has $8 left. Our equation to get $8 would be $19 minus $7. Well, actually, we started with 4, so let me change that. $19 minus 4 equals, we landed on 15. 15, and then 15 minus 7 equals 8. Okay? So that's how we use a numbered number line. I know we've used open number lines a lot, but this is using a numbered number line. All right. So let me get my mouse back so we can go to the next slide. What have we learned about number lines today? The number line can continue on to higher numbers. The numbers must be equally spaced so that our jumps are the same amount of a jump. We can use a number line to complete word problems. All right, have a great day.